the most fascinating thing, Mikki, is it's the mainstream journalists that yesterday seemed to be flagging this to the tech platforms. And we saw the same thing happen with us, where mainstream media is like they're actually censoring the tech platforms. And maybe you can talk more about that. So those are some of the top line numbers. It was crazy here yesterday, but we woke up today with a few bruises. We're nursing our wounds and we're kind of back. How has the reaction been for you? And how has this felt watching all this happen?
Well, it's been incredible, Brian. The reaction has been very positive across the board. And as you said, it's only the fact checkers and the faux journalists who seem to not get it, but they're paid to not get it, so we understand. But it's been this whole ride has been really incredible. It's been everything you can imagine, and I'm sure that you can imagine because you've been on a very similar roller coaster ride. You know, when you get out there in this environment of censorship and draconian laws that are being enforced on all of us, and you do your best to tell any kind of truth that collides at all with the mainstream narrative, the attacks are fierce. And it really has been a wake-up call for me to realize just how deeply into this hypnotic state we all are as a result of decades of propaganda being forced at us. And so it's been, the support has been incredible. You learn who your friends are, as I'm sure you know. But the unfounded attacks, to watch the media spin things, to watch them find a video of me playing with my children and somehow make it something negative, to try to find everything just to make people not like me, the character, or not like Dr. Mikovits, the character. It's really about character assassination. It's a very dirty game that they're playing. And so that part of it, it's not that I didn't know that it was there, but to really be at the brunt of it and have all the major networks working to convince the world that I am someone that I'm not, and that Judy Mikovits is someone that she's not, has been a very interesting thing to witness unfolding. But it only gives me more determination to keep fighting this fight. And the more they expose themselves, the better I understand the game, and I think the better we all get at playing the game.